Hey, I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples that help you to manifest everything you desire. So a while back, I manifested a specific person to be obsessed with me, and here's exactly how I did it. I wanted to test it out and see if it would work, and it did. Step 1, decide what you want. Step 2, say what you want. And as you say what you want in the moments that you say it, then see yourself as having it, with it, doing it, or experiencing it as you say you want it. And if you can't see anything, know because you just said what you want, that means you want to have that happen next. And so you feel like you will have it, and it will happen. Step 3, find a way to convince yourself it'll happen and that you'll have it. These are my 3 core steps to manifesting that can work for any desire. See my video called 3 Steps to Manifest Anything linked below for more details. But make manifesting easy by understanding and mastering these 3 steps. So if you want a specific person really into you or obsessed with you, here's how I applied those 3 steps. So I decided I want a girlfriend really into me. I said what I wanted. For that part, I say my dominant thought that says, I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I want, and the thing I want. Since it's a more detailed, specific desire, I make a wanted story about it. A wanted story is a short paragraph that helps me focus on my desire and the having of it, while also convincing myself it'll happen and I'll have it. So I combine the last 2 steps to manifesting in this part as well, all making manifesting fast and easy. The thing that makes your manifestation happen is deciding on a desire and then feeling like, yes, I'll have it, and yes, it'll happen. And internally convinced of that it is true and going to happen. No mixed thoughts, no afterthoughts about it after. No contradictory thoughts about it then after. Just, this is what I want next, and I'll have it, and it'll happen. Then letting it be. And if it comes to mind again later, you say again, yes, I want that, and again let it be. Or say, yes, it's happening, I said I want it, so I always get what I want. And then leaving your end thought about it on that. Continuing to focus on have it, will have it. If your desire hasn't manifested yet, you have some thought there that says or implies, I don't have it, and it won't happen. This is a focus on not having it. You want to focus on have it now, in your mind. See it with you, or you having it in your mind, and thinking you will have it soon. It will happen, manifest, and show up soon. So for a specific person to be obsessed or really into you, I combined all that and said in my wanted story, I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I want to say this desire once and for it to happen instantly now. Now, today. I want a girlfriend now. I want a girlfriend who's 100% everything I've ever wanted in a girlfriend now. I want a girlfriend who's perfect for me now. I want a girlfriend who wants to marry me and spend the rest of her life with me now. I want a girlfriend who reciprocates everything times 500 now. I want a girlfriend who loves me with her everything now. I want a girlfriend who's so into me, excited about me and us, wants to talk to me, spend time with me, and know me now. I want a girlfriend who pursues me, asks me out, engages back in conversation, and gives 500% effort now. I want a girlfriend who makes good conversation and wants to know me now. I want a girlfriend who's affectionate always and loves my affection now. I want a girlfriend who never loses interest in me now. I want a girlfriend who makes me feel so wanted, loved, special, important, significant, cherished, and cared for times 500 for the rest of my life now. I want a girlfriend who's there for me when I need her now. I want a girlfriend who wants me every single day forever, no matter what now. I want true, deep, equal love now. I want a girlfriend that would do anything for me and anything to make me happy now. I want a girlfriend who doesn't want kids or pets, just me and her, and amazing experiences together now. I want a faithful, trustworthy, loyal girlfriend now. I want a girlfriend to do everything with me now. I want a girlfriend who needs me, is attached to me, and can't live without me now. I want a girlfriend who loves me unconditionally now. I I want a girlfriend who accepts all about me and wants me and to be with me forever no matter what now. I want a girlfriend deeply devoted to me now. I want a girlfriend who means what she says and follows through times 500 now. I know this will work. This is how I've manifested everything. I say what I want and it happens. All I have to do is say what I want once and it happens instantly now. I want her to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. I want her in my arms now. So that was my wanted story that I said once a day at first. Usually before work in the morning. I'd say it, and as I said it, flashes of me having that would automatically come up. So later that day, I was internally led to a video on TikTok where this couple was getting married and they said how they met on Tinder. So this gave me an idea to download the app, and that day a person matched with me. She was into me instantly, and it was interesting the things she said, making me know that she was then my manifestation. It was very clear. She had just moved to a location close to me. Although she was on Tinder, she wanted marriage and a serious relationship. She wanted to talk to me constantly, called me beautiful and attractive. She said she's devoted to someone even just in the talking stage, and so she was devoted to me and loyal. She said she'd delete the app right then even, because she didn't need it. That she wanted exactly what I do. And her looks were similar to what I had wanted and described too. She did reciprocate a lot. Her energy was just way too much though. She was like, when I'm committed, and I can promise that on my mom's grave, and you're what I want, and so beautiful. It was just kind of funny to see it work and manifest. And it happened that same day, just as my wanted story had said. But I also felt internally led to it, and led to the app compared to thinking I must download tons of apps to meet someone now. And that's what happens. You get ideas naturally, and you get internally led to your manifestation. And usually you don't realize it until later. So some things did work. It was a match that we had the same love language, that she was affectionate, that she wanted the same things, and that her looks was similar to what I had said I wanted in someone. And her age, location was good, and that she was loyal and faithful. So I can see the parts that I want to keep in my wanted story, and then I just take that experience and adjust it for the next time. Adjust it like maybe say a committed, lasting relationship that naturally unfolds, or a girlfriend who's secure and confident now. But it did work, so try it out. Use the same idea or thoughts to get your specific person more into you. Or use it on your current specific person and add them to the story. So decide what you want and say it naturally as you'd say it. For me, I say I want a girlfriend who's affectionate always. I want a girlfriend who's exactly my type now, which represents the person's looks and appearance. But make a wanted story. Focus on what you do want, and convince yourself that it'll happen, and you'll have it. Because your dominant thought says so. I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I want, and the thing you want. Saying that plus what you want is like a command. It automatically means this is what I want and want to have happen next. So that has made manifesting very easy for me. Comment below. Do you want a specific person to be obsessed with you? What are you going to add to your wanted story? That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.